No, I'm Jose. Hello. The project I'm considering is a database server. Combination of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Node.js will be the front end. They'll be handling the web requests and the UI. CMake, C++, PostgreSQL will be the back end. And yes, I am reading from a piece of paper. My career goals fall along the lines of full stack software development. My base of development is going to be C++. Yes, it's a dinosaur of a programming language that has as many twists and turns as an anaconda wrapped around an antelope. But you've seen the power of JavaScript, Node.js, Firefox, and Python. They're all written in C or C++ or a combination of the two. It's a fun language. Well, it's fun in its own way. I chose HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js for the server's front end for the obvious reasons. We created a crude one last quarter, and, well, that quadruplet set of programming languages seems to be the king for programming the internet. I think it's just something I need to do, and it's kind of fun, you know. The not so obvious reason is I'd like to know more about how to get one program to communicate with another program that doesn't live within the same code space. So there's a couple different reasons for choosing that, and it wasn't just because, you know, it's probably the de facto thing you need to know anyway. I chose CMake because it seems to be one of the top tools for building C++ programs. For those of you that don't know, that little run button, that little run and build button in Visual Studio Code doesn't always exist outside of Microsoft or other paid software. Actually, I can only think of one place where you have an actual build button that you don't have to pay for. Anyway, searching, compiling, and then linking files to make a running executable can be exhausting without the little button. There are descriptions of compile horror stories that don't allow a little button to exist for compiling. So CMake to the rescue. I chose PostgreSQL because I originally chose SQLite. I wanted something small and SQL based so I wouldn't have too much trouble. The problem was that SQLite source code is written in an even more ancient language, ANSI. So I went with PostgreSQL. My backend will therefore very much be limited to just adding to the database and viewing the database. So hopefully I can get this all done. I think it's doable. At the very least, if I can't get the PostgreSQL to work, I'll just roll my own kind of fake database and at least come up with a proof of concept. Okay?